Hey, I'm Kellen from Beaver Dam, Kentucky. I'm the sales director here at Dreamedia Home Theater. What we do on a day-to-day basis is we help consult new customers when they call in using FaceTime, other video conferencing software, asking valuable questions as well as sharing photos to see the space and really work through what fits within their budget, but as well as what would work in the space. I'm excited that I get to work with customers pretty much every day, design their dream home theater. Just like that I did. I met Zach, I followed his YouTube channel and called in, got my equipment before I started working here, and just being able to design my own space, because I'm a movie buff and I know that brings another aspect to your movie watching experience, so I'm glad that I get to pass that on to our new customers. So just like I was a customer, I've seen both sides of it. I'm glad that you guys can call in and I can help take care of you, whether it's your whole home audio, home theater related, outdoor audio. So I want to thank you guys for the support so far, and I look forward to helping you soon.